how to grow a faceless account fast and monetize it in 30 days or less. This will be a complete breakdown of how to do this step by step, so make sure you save this video for later. Now, you want your account to get to 1,000 followers as soon as possible, and this is the fastest way I know how. And just in case you don't know why you want to get to 1,000 followers, that's because you can put link in the bio and that's how you monetize your account. One, you want to pick a niche that's profitable, that is engaging, that is popular right now on TikTok. So for example, spirituality, manifestation, passive income, make money online, digital marketing, psychology, self-help, all of these are really popular. Pick one and stay consistent. Now you'll want to create a brand new TikTok account. Don't use the one you had before. The second thing, you want to go over to ChatGPT and ask it to do two things for you. One is to create a very unique name for your niche and for your page. The second is you want it to create a high converting bio so you can actually post it in your bio section of the profile. And this way algorithms are going to know what your account is all about. Third thing, you want to head over to Canva and create a logo because you'll need a profile picture, so make sure you do that. Step number 4, you're ready to create your TikTok accounts, but make sure that for the first 48 hours, you're not posting anything on that TikTok account. Zero, nothing. What you want to do instead is find top performing accounts, either faceless or popular accounts that are face on, and you want to follow these accounts. You want to save their content, you want to repost their content, you want to engage with their content. Do that for the next 48 hours. Videos have already proven to go viral, so you want to take that content and you want to create original versions based on that content. So you're not stealing the content, you're just taking the idea and then asking ChatGPT to create the original versions of that content. Head over to Canva, create it either with B-roll videos that you have or Canva videos that they have. Now, these videos are ready to go and you're ready to start posting. You want to be posting 3 to 4 videos every single day. Now, in addition to that, you want to follow suggested accounts, and this is going to get you 2,000 followers really fast. You want to follow suggested accounts and just click on those accounts, and your content is going to, and those accounts are going to start following you, and that's how you're going to get 2,000 followers so you can monetize this. Later on, if you don't want to watch their content, if you don't relate with their content, if it's not something that you're interested in, you can always unfollow. But to get to 1,000 followers, this is definitely a must. Also, if you want to see how one faceless account did over 300K in 12 months selling digital offers using nothing but 7-second videos, I have a complete breakdown. Just comment done for you free and I'm going to send it to you. Also, if you want more tips like these, click the follow button and I'll see you in the next video.